Today in maths, your task is to answer some mental maths questions. Once you've completed this, then you can go on to Times Table Rockstars. Okay, the first thing I would do is to think about when we're answering mental maths questions, we need to come up with the quickest and most efficient methods to answer the questions because there's a time limit. So just now, I would spend some time mind mapping some different strategies that you could use for addition questions, subtraction questions, multiplication questions, and division questions. Okay, think about your column methods, your bus stop methods. How can you work out the question the quickest? I'm going to read out for you 9 questions. For these 9 questions, you have 5 seconds each to answer each question. Okay, so you can use you can write the answers down into your home learning books and then take a picture of them and upload them to me and send them to me on Seesaw. So I'll call out each question and I will give you 5 seconds to answer and then write the answer down. Number 1, write in figures the number 326. Number 2, what number is halfway between 2.7 and 4.7? Number 3, write 1/2 as a percentage. Number 4, write in figures 465 correct to the nearest hundred. Let's do a little bit of rounding then. Number 5, add 1.13 and 2.02. Number 6, there are 31 days in August. How many days are there after the 18th of August? Number 7, how many weeks are 56 days? Number 8, what is 85 multiplied by 100? Number 9, I have weeded 60% of my path. What percentage is left to weed? These next questions, you have 10 seconds to answer. If you're finding it a bit tricky, then just pause the question after every time I finish the question to give yourself some extra time, okay? Number 1, Bob spends £3.60. He pays with a £5 note. How much change does he get? Number 2. The temperature was -2 degrees Celsius. It went up by 10 degrees. Write down the new temperature. Number 3, 54 strawberries are shared between 6 people. How many does each person get? Remember that word share is friendly for divide. Number 4, 1/5 of a number is 3. What is the number? Number 5, a TV program starts at 4:15 and ends at 6:15. How many minutes does the program last? Once you've answered these questions, go back, read the questions and double check your answers and your strategies, okay? Once you've done that, take a picture of it, upload it to Seesaw, and then you can log on to Times Table Rockstars to practice your efficiency in multiplication and division. Good luck!